everyone, it's Gagajoy, Gagajoy's Cooking. I'm glad you dropped in case you wonder what my little clear cups are for, I'm not going to be playing that game you play, but I'm going to be making something that I love to keep on hand just for myself, or if someone's coming, I love to do this because it is something everybody enjoys, I think. And I'll start off, I have yogurt, and get any kind of yogurt you want. I particularly like the peach yogurt, that's just me, but they have all kinds of yogurt. And I put a big spoon of yogurt, a little bit more. Now the blueberries. I love blueberries, and actually I love all the fruit, but to me, blueberries seem to stay firm longer. I love blueberries and strawberries. It makes such a pretty dessert. It's the strawberries and the blueberries. Blackberries, raspberries, I've done them all. They're wonderful. But to me, when I go back, if it's for myself, I like to get up of the mornings and eat blueberries and the granola. And late at night, when you just want something extra, it's a wonderful thing to go get. And if you're going to have company for the day and you need a quick dessert, there you go. Now I put granola, and granola is another one. I picked this granola up, just this one's bare naked. But I'll tell you something else you do if you don't want it and get a whole bag. Get these granola bars. You can get granola bars and just crunch them up, and you have plenty of granola. And they're good. You pick the ones you want. This one is oats and honey. And the granola today is just fruit and nut. Okay, now for another big scoop of yogurt. Blueberries. Now, I failed to finish it off with that. I may go a different way next time. Let's do the blueberries, which I do like better this way. The yogurt, the granola. The yogurt. Oh, I love this so much. Blueberries. And yogurt. And you can put a few more, if you want to top it off with a little more granola. Just fix it any way you want to. Okay, let's do it with granola this time. Granola, yogurt, blueberries. Blueberries. A little bit more yogurt. Okay. So this is our last one. Yogurt. I hope you'll try this because honestly, if you do, you'll always have one on hand. And in the summertime when the strawberries come in, the sweet strawberries, right now they're so awful at the grocery store. And when they come in, oh, that's so good. And you get the strawberry yogurt. Blueberries. And you put other things in this if you want to. I mean, I'm sure there's, everybody would have. This one just has always stuck with me as my favorite. You can usually get 4 or 5 from this size. And your blueberries for breakfast tomorrow. Drop down for breakfast tomorrow. So anyway, try the yogurt. I think you'll like it. And I know you'll keep it on hand because it is wonderful. See you soon.